Hello, everybody. Welcome to Health and Wealth 101. Let's talk about it. I thank God that we are starting fully this week on our program. We say that Health and Wealth 101 is a platform we set up together with you where we meet every week to talk about the two most important things in our life: how to live a healthy life and how to make wealth. And today we're going to look into a very important topic we call building a successful network marketing. Network marketing is becoming increasingly popular these days all over the world. Different people have different opinions when it comes to network marketing. So many people are with the opinion that network marketing is the business of the 21st century because it has a low startup, a very, very low startup capital and a huge income potential. A business that can accommodate every kind of people from every level of life, the educated, non-educated, men and women, professionals and non-professionals alike, and everybody is having an equal opportunity to succeed or to fail. Despite the good opportunities, despite the good talks and benefits and potentials of this network business, there are some people that still have a negative opinion of the business. Some people are still seeing it as not working. Some people are quitting from the business every day. So today we want to see why people are quitting from the business and what can be done for one to start correctly, to start right, and to succeed in network marketing. Before we go on, we want to look into the topic as the definition. What is network marketing? Network marketing is a marketing strategy for the sale of products and services, where the revenue of network marketing company is derived from a non-salaried workforce that is selling the company's product and services, while the earnings of the participants are derived from compensation commission system. The higher the volume of your sale and with your downlines or teams, the higher your commission. Now, let us see what are the principles of a successful marketing. Because of time, we're not going to go into details, explanations of everything, but we're going to outline all these points. At the end of the talk, we're going to tell you what to do for you to have access to the full detailed information of the article. So, you see, there are different principles and strategies that are being implemented by different people, different groups, or company in network marketing. But what is there is that they are all leading to one thing: how to maximize earnings. Now, what are the principles? 1, creating your active contact list. 2, analyzing the contact list. 3, contacting the contacts in the list and talking about your business. Then 4, presentation of your business or opportunity. 5, question and answers from both sides. 6, follow-ups. 7, duplicating yourself. Your strategies and approach in implementing these principles determines your success or failure. Now, why do people fail or quit from network marketing business? Irrespective of the fact that hundreds of thousands of people are going home every month with 6 to 7 figures as their earnings. And some other people are throwing the towels and quitting the business every day. Now, there are some reasons, and we're going to just put down some few, because everybody who can, there are different other reasons involved, but this is just a few of them. Number one, wrong mindset and expectation. Number two, not taking network marketing as a business. Number three, lack of commitment. Number four, not talking to enough people. Number five, lack of basic knowledge. Number six, lack of focus. Number seven, they have no vision or dream. Number eight, they have alternative. Now, what does it take for one to start right in order to have a successful network marketing business? Number one, the first thing you have to do to have a good beginning is to take decision. Your decision matters. You need to take the decision whether to take the business, network marketing as a business, whether to take it seriously. So your decision is now your driving force into success or failure. Number two, define your dreams so that you will have focus. Set a target and go after your targets. Number three, set down a realizable goals, short-term goals, mid-term goals, and long-term goals. Write them down and go on achieving them. Number four, find the company with the product you like. There are products that are easily marketable. There are products that market themselves. So it depends on the product you find that determines how fast you can get to your success. Number five, get a sponsor. Once you have get a company with the product you like to market, then you need a sponsor, because network marketing requires that you must have a sponsor. So it's either you get yourself a sponsor, somebody you can trust to take you to where you're going, somebody that can be able to put you on the right track from the beginning until you can be able to stand on yourself and continue. Or the company will give you a sponsor on your time of registration. So you need a sponsor. Number six, get started. Once you have seen the company, the product you want to market, okay, and the company that gives you a good compensation, attractive compensation, something that you know that working with, you get to where you're going, and you have get a sponsor that you can trust at the beginning to lead you through, then you have nothing to wait than to get what started. Go follow your upline immediately to get moving, and that is the only way you can get a result. Number seven, personal development. You must keep working on yourself. You see, so many people don't know that time is changing, and as time is changing, things are changing. So what you know today, what gives you success today, can be outdated tomorrow. So you need to be updating yourself steady and acquiring knowledge on what you are doing. Your knowledge base determines your success rate in this business. So you must continue with your personal development. That is it for today. So, like I said, for more details on the articles and the information we have gathered here this morning, visit our blog post www.healthandwealth101.org/success network-marketing, full stop. Then you get a full detailed information of the article. We don't have the time here to go into details. So that is it for today. And I hope you get some values from what we have discussed today. So if you know you got some value, you see, this is a community, and we have to be communicating, okay? So we would like to hear from you. Just help us answer these two questions. Write it down. Number one, what did you like best from what you heard today? What did you like best from what you heard today? Number two, in a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not at all, 10 being ready to get going, please tell us, just think very well, how interested are you in starting your own network marketing business? How interested are you in starting your own network marketing business? Please, we need your response. We appreciate your candid response to this. Go to our website, www.healthandwealth101.org/contact. Go to the contact there, then put down your information with your contact and then the answer to these questions. We'll hear from you, then we'll get back to you. Thank you for listening. Wish everybody a happy weekend. See you next week. Bye.